Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new unboxing video for you guys. This is the Realme Buds Wireless. As you can see, it's written in the box. I ordered it from Flipkart after this lockdown over in Bangalore. Basically, they have opened everything in Bangalore, but that is with a catch like 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. they're opening. So yesterday I ordered this product and I got it delivered today. Let's do the unboxing. So let's start with the unboxing, and here I have one blade with me, so I'll just cut it down the seal because as you can see, it's a new pack. I have not broken the seal yet, so I'll just cut the seal over here. And if we'll go inside, let me see. Okay, one more seal is there on top and we have to cut it down. Yeah, that is done. And okay, so this is the box, guys. As you can see, this is the earphone there, the actual thing. Here is the earphone, and I guess there will be another charger will be inside. Let me just remove this one. So this is the earphone, guys. Initial impression, this earphone is very lightweight. Yeah, I can easily say that this earphone is very lightweight. Let's see what else we are getting in the box. So if you'll open this box like this, then definitely there is something. Let me put this camera here so that I think now it's a kind of a better angle. And if we'll open this box from here, and you are getting one small box over here. Let me check what's the inside. Okay, we have one small USB cable, that is the normal one, micro USB, not the type C, and some ear tips, you can see, and one paperwork where it's saying that Realme Buds Wireless and all, something has been written. So this is the volume up and down button, and I think it's the one where we can control the calls and all. So I have to test this earphone and I'll get back to you guys with a review video. One thing I really hate about this earphone is the color. So we don't have any other color except this one and the orange one. That orange one even looks very bad. So at least this is manageable, but that orange one is very bad. You can see the ear tips. So guys, that's it for this quick unboxing video of this Realme Buds Wireless earphones. I'll do a review once I'll use this earphone for at least 2 weeks from now, and definitely I'll come back with a review video. If you have any queries regarding these earphones, do let me know in the comment section so that I'll consider those comments in my full review video. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.